Alright everybody, welcome back once again. It's Big Al. I've got an awesome challenge locking device. It's called Broken Arrow, I believe is what it says on the tag. Number 4 by Been Pickin. And I gotta tell you, I like the name, but it could also have been called SOB. I say that because this is the third, I think, attempt trying to, trying to get it picked on camera. This thing is a real pain in my butt. And this is part of the, where are we at? Part of the reason right there. That's a beast, man. It does work great with the key. Does not work great with a pick. So I'm going to dive right into this bad boy. It is a Schlag, so I'm going to drop my little shotgun deal in the bottom and see if we can get something started. Because I'll tell you what, man, trying to get this thing on camera is a real freaking pain. I have picked it, and it's not easy. It's a really tough lock, but it's even worse when the camera's on. Alright, see if we can get something started here. Like that. Okay, a little bit. Nope, didn't like that. Let it drop. There we go. A slight turn. I think that was 3. I was trying to get feedback off. Whoops. Okay, I don't like that either. Let it drop. Trying to get feedback off this thing. It's not a very talkative. Not a very talkative lock. Oh, let it drop. A little bit more. Okay, super deep false set we just popped into. Alright, let me get this dude out of the bottom. Hopefully, that's what I needed. Let's go in the back now. Maybe not. Okay, let me try this. Yeah. Okay, still got that false set. See if we can keep it. Alright, I think I need to try to get that one in the back. Let's find out. Yep. Alright. The trick is trying to get that sucker without losing the rest. And I might have just lost it. Let's see. See if we can revive it once again. There we go. I'll be damned. There we go. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. I'll tell you what, man. I am taking that all day long. Alright. Back it out a little bit, or a lot of bit. Get the sucker out of the vise. Yeah, man. Yeah. And actually, I think that's the quickest time I did on that one. Besides just getting it open, period. Alright, let's see. Put the camera down here. What do we got this time? Blue. Blue pin and tray from Bobby Keys. Thanks again, Bobby. Things are badass. I love these things. I love it. Custom made. Alright, so we're very much open, fair and square. We do have a key, so I can lock it back up. Let's see what's in this beast of burden right here, man. Yeah, buddy. Don't need that. Yeah, buddy. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Definitely try to get a shim in it. Oop. Alright. See what we got. Oh yeah, I could see some funkiness. That third chamber and maybe the sixth one seems to be wallered out for some reason. Either that or the pins are smaller. It's fair to say one just barely needed picking. Maybe like an overset trap. Alright. Boy, my hand's shaking because I just had a couple fails attempt on this thing. A little excited. Alright. 4 is upside down. 5 and 6 upside down. There we go. Alright, let me get some eyeballs on so I can see as good as the camera does. Little pokey tool, and we've got, yeah, there's some weirdness. Just number 3 and number 6 are actually walled out. They're not undercut. Where are we at? They're, geez, they're, as you can see, they're drilled larger, not undercut. That's a trip. But that's what's going on. Okay, what a trip. That's different. Alright. See what we got upstairs. Some tweezers. Alright. Number 1 looks like a standard. Like a steel spring maybe. Number 2 is not standard at all. It is a spool, serrated, and reduced. That one's we'll get a close-up on it as usual at the end here. We'll get them all out, laid down, and then we'll, oh yeah, my god, another freaking masterpiece. Wow, that's just wicked badass right there. We'll get a close-up on it. It kind of looks like a barbell with a pointed tip on it. Wicked cool. Alright, that was 3, so we're at 4. And again, another, if I can get it out of there, we stand it up. Another kind of rounded spool. Let's go with to the back for number 6 and 5. Oh yeah. Frick, no wonder it took me so long, man. Let me stand it up a little bit here. Yeah, that was all the way in the back of number 6. Wicked, wicked cool. Wicked cool. And number 5. Yep, a I guess multi-serrated type combobulation. Alright. And let's see if we got any mods upstairs here. Nope, no mods to the Bible or top part. Okay, let me separate these just a tad bit so we can look at them nicely through the camera. Oh, that was freaking badass. Okay. Bring the camera flat down so we can look at these pins properly. Alright. Alrighty, I think that's good enough. So, key pins, we've got a, oh, I thought it was standard, it's not. It's got some slight serrations and then this like ring around the top with a sharp end on it. 2 is a standard, 3 looks standard, actually, yeah, it's standard. 4, I'd call that almost spooled with a sharp top, fair to say. or wide serration. That was 4, so 5. We've got this, it's reduced right here. There's like a reduced band right here. And then it's got this kind of spooled top with a sharp top again. Number 6 looks standard. Drivers. Number 1, we've got a standard. 2 is this kind of rounded spool with serrations on each end. This end is reduced right here. It's smaller than that ring. Probably why those, which ones were wallered out? No, it was 3 and 6 that were wallered out. So this one and that one, and that's probably why. So these can flop around in there, and it worked really good. Those things are cool. I may copy that. So yeah, 3, this funny looking, almost barbell spool looking thing with a cone at the end. 4, serrations up here with a spool there, as you can see. 5, multi-serrated, and then 6 is another one like 3. Really cool looking barbell cone looking combobulation of a spool. Badass. I think these springs are steel. Yeah, they're all steel. All the springs are steel. So again, let me put these pins back over here. Jesus. Okay. Awesome. Awesome pin work. Beautiful. Beautiful work from Been Pickin. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribing and the thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of you. And next Tuesday, reminder, well, not next Tuesday, the Tuesday that's coming up of next week is going to be the 200 subscriber giveaway. The winner will be chosen. All right, that's it. Big Al signing out.